Book buddies! Mark your spot with a creative bookmark. You'll need a plastic sandwich bag, scrap paper, glitter or sequins, ribbon, clear tape, scissors, and a hole punch or sharp pencil. Step 1. Cut off the bottom of the sandwich bag. Step 2. Fill it with paper cutouts or glitter, or both. Step 3. Seal the bag with tape. Step 4. Punch a hole in one end and knot a piece of ribbon through it. Happy reading!